हय, झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग प्रॉमिनंट करतले. क्रॉसिंगेचो सायन बोर्ड दिसता तसो लायतले. भितर येवपी बसींक स्पीड लिमीट लायतले. रॅम्प बसयतले. बसी झेब्रा क्रॉसिंगार पार्क करपाक दिवचे नात अशें म्हणत पणजे बस स्टँडार जायत्यो गजाली जाग्यार घालपाच्योच उरल्यात ते केटीसीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी मानून घेतले. पळयात विन्सेंट रोजारियोचो रिपोर्ट.
I'm a senior citizen and I would like to demand some benches in this bus stand for all the senior citizen people and those are travelling. There is no single bench here in this such big bus stand. I would request the KTC to put some benches and do the needful.
And today there will be 3 delegations. First delegation now will go to meet the Assistant Director Transport Enforcement. ह्या कदंबा कॉम्प्लेक्सान तो बसलेलो आहा. तेजे कडेन आयज डिस्कस करपाक एक ग्रूप वयतलो. तेजे उपरांत डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ म्युनिसिपॅलिटी 2 डेलिगेशन आयज वयतले. कित्याक आज सिनियर सिटीजनाचो दीस. वी आर सेइंग that is high time these departments start taking action on the law rules which are given clearly. So we are not asking any favor, we are asking implementation of the rules.
आता हिंगा तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार हिंगा बोर्ड आहा पेडिस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग म्हणून, पूण हिंगा रस्त्याचेर हेतून बस स्टँडाचेर हिंगा झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग मार्क केलेले ना. सो त्या पासत स्पेशली फॉर ओल्ड पीपल, ओल्डर पर्सन, सो हिंगा कांयच सेफ्टी ना. दुसरें म्हणल्यार हिंगा तुमी पळयता आसतले बसी कितले फास्ट भितर येता त्यो बस स्टँडाचेर. सो जरी कोण तर सिनियर सिटीजन हिंगा क्रॉसिंग करता सो तेजी सेफ्टी ना. हिंगा बस स्टँडाचेर स्पीड लिमीट एक कोणी बोर्ड मारलेलो ना. हिंगा हेचो बोर्ड मारला पेडिस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग म्हणून बोर्ड मारलेलो आहा. तोय जाल्यार सामको नॉट एज पर द सायज. आनी हिंगा तुमी पळयत जाल्यार हिंगा झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग खंयच रस्त्याचेर वो बस स्टँडाचेर हिंगा मार्क केल्ले ना.
Today we had a meeting with senior citizens who came to meet us at the office of Assistant Director Enforcement. They made a whole lot of highlighted a whole lot of issues that the senior citizens are having problems, especially at KTC bus stand. Some of the issues are like zebra crossings and boarding of buses. Steps are too high to board the buses. Then senior citizens are not seats reserved for senior citizens not clearly mentioned in the buses. So they made a whole representation to us and we are looking into it. That's why I've called KTC, because many of the issues are related to KTC, like they also asking for a separate toilet for senior citizens and benches to be provided at KTC for sitting of senior citizens.
मेन तो पेडेस्ट्रियन वार्ड आशिल्ले पळय तो झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग कांयच ना. डायरेक्ट बसी येता आनी इवन तो बोर्ड जो लायला पळय की पेडेस्ट्रियन वे म्हणून तो सामको कोणच्याक लागून
Yeah, they have brought that issue and we are trying to get that solved. We'll make the zebra crossings more prominent and we'll get the drivers to not to park on the zebra crossings. They also requested for handles or some kind of a stand to help them hold and climb the pavement. So we are trying to make that arrangement also.
So
तुमच्या नजरेक हेच्या पयलीं येवंक नाशिल्ले?
No, this was not noted earlier. This was brought especially noticed by the couple of senior citizens. Yeah.
So there should be any speed limit on the bus stand by of these buses.
Yeah, there should be. There has to be a speed limit. That's what they also have brought to our notice, that a lot of buses speeding into the bus stop. That is many times it's happening because of the excessive traffic jams and the excessive inconvenience caused while entering the bus stop.
So it can cause also the people who crossing the bus stand
Yes,
and
it
all.
could be dangerous.
So it is a
to them
dangerous
also.
one.
So that has to, we will look into that matter.
So many private vehicles get parked in the bus stand, causing the difficulties for the buses to park and even the pedestrian. So what action you take on that?
Private buses in the sense
Private vehicles.
Private vehicles, yes, that also we have brought to our notice. We have to stop private vehicles from entering the bus stop.
We have just met with the Assistant Director Transport Enforcement for North Goa and the representative of KTC, and we have just discussed some issues that we have noticed today. One was that the buses that come into the bus stand are at such speed that if a senior citizen is crossing, could easily get knocked down. We have also asked for seats for senior citizens at the lighting point, so that if some senior citizen who has been standing in the bus and travelling can get off the bus and maybe rest for a little while before they proceed to whatever they have come to Panjim for. Another thing we have said is that buses KTC and other private buses have no clear signages on them to say senior citizen, or the spellings on them are really silly. Our main demand is that the zebra crossing at this KTC bus stand needs to be painted, and ramps especially for the disabled and the senior citizens need to be made. We used to have that, but they reduced it and it made only one passageway ramp. So they need to put in a ramp for the senior citizens.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सेंट रोजारियो, डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, जवार बर्वे आनी सानिका नागवेकर.